In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconnect a bank feed in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing your business finances or keeping track of personal expenses, QuickBooks Online makes it simple to stay organized. However, there may be times when you need to reconnect your bank account to ensure your transactions are syncing seamlessly. Don't worry, this process is quick and easy, and I'll guide you through each step to make sure everything is set up correctly. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. All right, let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. On the left-hand panel, locate and click on the section labeled Transactions. This is where you'll find everything related to your financial activity. Next, within the Transactions section, look for the Bank Transactions tab and click on it. This is the area where all of your linked bank accounts and imported transactions are managed. Now, in the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a button labeled Link Account. Go ahead and click on that. This will initiate the process of reconnecting your bank account. Once you're there, you have two options to locate your bank. You can either use the search bar to type in the name of your bank, or you can scroll through the list of banks you've previously connected. Take a moment to find the bank account that you want to reconnect. After you've located your bank, select the account you wish to reconnect. This will bring you to the next step, which is the authentication process. Here, you'll need to enter your banking credentials, typically your username and password for your online banking account. Make sure to input this information carefully to avoid any errors. As you proceed, you might be prompted to verify your information for security purposes. This is a crucial step to ensure that the connection is secure and authenticated. Follow the prompts on the screen, which may include confirming a verification code sent to your phone or email. Once you've successfully completed the authentication process, QuickBooks Online will confirm that your bank feed has been reconnected. At this point, transactions should begin importing automatically. You can double-check this by looking for New Transactions under the Bank Transactions tab. And that's it. You've now reconnected your bank feed in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your bank account linked ensures that your financial data stays up to date, so you can focus on what really matters, running your business or managing your finances. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.